Atlantic Duct Cleaning has been in business since 1995. When we clean your air ducts, we have a team of 2 technicians that use this compressor to create positive air pressure and this HEPA-filtered hypervacuum to create negative pressure. Inside your home, we create a 10-inch access hole on the supply and return line of your ductwork. Upon completion of the cleaning, we reseal the access hole in accordance with NADCA standards with galvanized sheet metal. Our technicians wear booties to cover their shoes and drop cloths to bring the hypervacuum into your home. We secure the vacuum into the access hole to remove particulate dislodged throughout the cleaning process. We run the compressed air hose into the home and go vent by vent through each duct line to dislodge debris and push it back toward the vacuum. After cleaning the entire duct system, we remove the hypervacuum and reseal the access hole with galvanized sheet metal. Before we leave, we clean up any dust or debris around your vents to ensure your home is completely clean.